Today I have an Infiniti QX series SUV, and I'm going to show you how to open the fuel door and gas cap on this particular Infiniti QX series vehicle. This happens to be an 80, but this method can be applied to various other models of the Infiniti QX series, such as some 50s, some 55s, some 60s, and the 80s, of course. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. But before we get started, can you give me a thumbs up if you find my video helpful in any way? All right, so let's go and get started. So I'm sitting in the vehicle. I have the vehicle in park. The vehicle is off. Of course, you want your vehicle off before you add fuel to it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out of the vehicle. All right, so the vehicle's off. It's in park. And sometimes people may look down here to try to find it, but it's not down there, buddy. So we're going to get out of the vehicle, and we're going to go towards the rear of the vehicle. And you see this right here, this box-shaped thing right here? What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and press this, and it pops open right here. Do you see that? Pops open, and there is the gas cap right here. And so it says, it shows you how to tighten it until one click, but I'm going to open it, so my voice just cracked. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to turn it counterclockwise. And it's counterclockwise, it's open. I can go ahead and refuel it. Right here it says unleaded fuel only. And when I'm done, take this, put it in here. This says tighten until one click. Just like that. And then when it's done with that, I'm going to take this and close it. And that's how you do it. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.